myself Pranav Rani. I am from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. I have completed MSc Computer Science from PVC College of Science, Pune. This is original video. Let's discuss about today's topic. Today's topic is stack and queue data structure in Java. This is original video. So let's discuss one by one. First of all, what is stack queue? Why it is included in Java and what is the use of that? The stacks queue are the data structure in Java. So what is mean by data structure? We have while doing the any programming language, we are performing the lots of operation with data. We are doing it in the ascending order, descending order. We have to manage data, manipulation data, and perform the some operation on data. It is a structure based on it is a structure which is used to manipulate the data in correct order, which is called as the data structure. There are two types of data structure, linear and non-linear data structure. The stack and queues are the types of linear data structure. So what is meant by the linear data structure? The linear data structure means elements are inserted are one by one, means in the contiguous memory location in the array or a linked list. So in the continuous memory location means one element is inserted at the a of 0, the second element is inserted at the a of 1, means continuous memory location up to which we can declare the stack. So stacks and queue are implemented using both two ways. We can implement it using arrays, and we can implement it using linked list also. We will discuss about the how we implement it using array. So first of all, the queue. What is the queue? The queue principle is working on the first in first out. The real life example of queue is we are standing we are to buy the movie ticket, we are standing in the queue. The man who is standing the first will get the first ticket, and who standing the last will get the last chance to buy the ticket. That's the same situation in the data structure in the queue. The elements are there are two ends in the queue. First one is head node, which is also called as start end, and one is rear node. The length of queue is denoting the head last node, and the first element of queue is denoting the head node. The insertion is done at end, means if for example if we have queue of size 5 and we have 3 element already in the queue, the name is 1 2 3, and we have to insert the fourth element. The fourth element is inserted after the fourth, because it is working on the principle of first in first out. And if we want to delete any particular element, it is inserting from the beginning. Suppose we have 5 elements in the queue, and it is if we have to delete the one element from the queue, first it will delete 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. The two exceptional cases in the queue, we have to give attention on that. If we have size, if we declare the array of size of queue is 5, and we want to enter the 6th element in queue, it will give us the exception the queue is out of full, the array index out of null, because we are inserting the more element than array. The second situation is if the queue are empty and we have to delete, we are deleting the element one by one, but the head node is coming the beyond 0, means head node is at least the denoting the a of 0, but if head node is denoting minus sign, the no element, it means no element in the queue. That means it will denote the queue is empty. The similar operation performing the stack. Stack is also the linear data structure. Only difference is that the first one is stack is called as the first end, and the last one is called as the last end. The insertion is done from the last, and deletion also done from the last. Means stack is working on the principle on first in last out. Means for the example, if we taken the plates on the plates one by one, if we have to remove one plate, we have to remove the last plates, and we have to insert the plate on that, we have to insert it from the last place as well. Means if we have 4 numbers 1 2 3 4, if we have to remove the particular number, we have to remove it from the end, and if we have to insert one number, we have to insert it from the end as well. Means end and rear is inserting both inciting towards the operation. The difference between only queue is queue the performing on the operation of first in last out, first in first out. A stack is implementing on the performance on the operation of first in last out. That is all about the queue and stack data structure. Thank you.